this class we are going to start a new topic. आज हम लोग एक नए टॉपिक को स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. हमने पिछली वीडियोस में टी से शुरू होने वाले लेटर्स वर्ड्स पे बात की. इस बार हम किसी और नए लेटर्स पे बात करने वाले हैं. आपको पता चलेगा आगे जब आप आगे जाएंगे. तो हम लोग करने ये जा रहे हैं कि हम लोग फिर से एक गाना गाने वाले हैं. फिर से हम लोग इंग्लिश का एक सॉन्ग गाने वाले हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग एंड दिस सॉन्ग वुड टेल यू द स्टोरी अबाउट something which you would I hope like. So now let's start, and while I'll be singing the song in front of you in this video, you all have to also repeat after me. आप लोगों को मेरे पीछे ये गाना होगा, मैं जगह छोड़ूंगा, आप इसमें मेंटेन करिएगा और आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. ओके ओके गाइस, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. तो थोड़ा सा मैं बैकग्राउंड बनाना चाहूंगा, आप लोगों को कुछ बताना चाहूंगा कि पोएम किसके बारे में. आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट दिस पोएम. इन दिस पोएम देयर इज अ मंकी. इस पोएम में, इस सॉन्ग में एक बंदर है एंड हिज नेम इज चुनमुन. हिज नेम इज चुनमुन. तो बंदर का नाम है चुनमुन और ये चुनमुन जो है मार्केट जाता है. ही वेंट टू मार्केट, ही गोज टू मार्केट एंड इन द मार्केट वो बहुत सारी चीजें देखता है. वो शॉप्स देखता है, शॉप से बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखता है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें खरीदता है और कुछ खाने की चीज़ें भी खरीदता है. तो यही इस पोएम में, इस सॉन्ग में आपको देखने को मिलेगा. और आइए मजा करते हैं चुनमुन मंकी के साथ. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. यू ऑल हैव टू सिंग विद मी. गॉट दैट पॉइंट गाइस? ओके ओके. चुनमुन द मंकी वेंट टू शॉप. चुनमुन द मंकी वेंट टू शॉप. सिंग विद मी. चुनमुन द मंकी वेंट टू शॉप. Chunmun the monkey went to shop. You know which shop he went to? He went to eye shop. What shop? Eye shop. Yes. Chunmun the monkey went to shop. Chunmun the monkey went to shop. Which shop? Eye shop. Eye shop. Eye shop. Eye shop. And in that shop, he saw some insects. 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 He saw some insects. Insects. You know what is called insects? Yeah, tiny little creatures, insects, कीड़े मकोड़े. You know all that? Yes, those are insects. Those are called insects. Yes. So he saw some insects. So he saw some insects. He saw some insects. What did he see? He saw some insects. Yes. Chunmun the monkey went to shop. Chunmun the monkey went to shop. Which shop? Eye shop. He bought an iron. He bought an iron. What did he buy? He bought an iron. You know, we iron our clothes. Yeah. So he bought an iron to iron his clothes. He bought an iron. You know that? What is called iron? Yes. This is the iron. Yes. Okay. Chunmun the monkey went to shop. Chunmun the monkey went to shop. Which shop? Eye shop. He ate an ice cream. He ate an ice cream. Do you like ice creams? How many of you like ice creams? I know everyone likes ice cream. Yes. So the same way Chunmun also likes ice cream. So he ate an ice cream. He ate an ice cream. Yes. Chunmun the monkey went to shop. And in that shop, he saw an infant. He saw an infant. You know guys, who we call an infant? Infant is a tiny little baby. Yes, a crawling baby is called infant. So he saw an infant. He saw an infant. Yes. Chunmun the monkey went to shop. Which shop? Eye shop. And in the last, he bought an ink pot. He bought an ink pot. Do you know what is ink pot? Ink pot is a bottle and in which there is ink. which we fill in our pens. Yes. So that's called ink pot. So he bought an ink pot. Ink pot. Ink pot. Chun the monkey went to shop. Let's sing with me. Chun the monkey went to shop. Chun the monkey went to shop. Which shop? I shop. I shop. I shop. I shop. And in that shop, first he saw some insects. Second, he bought an iron. Third, he ate an ice cream. Fourth, he saw an infant. And lastly, he bought an ink pot. Yes? Did you get that, guys? Yes, so these are the things he saw, he bought, he ate in a shop. So that was the story of a Chunmun monkey. Did you like Chunmun monkey? Did you like dancing with Chunmun monkey? Did you like singing with Chunmun monkey? Wow, great guys. So these are the things he ate, he bought, he saw in the shop. I think you also have seen all of these. So that is all. So see you guys. We'll see you in next video, which will be the continuation of this video. Okay? Till then, bye bye.